Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it safely, you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector. Do not damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have the cover, and then just insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry dirt out. Cool, that's it. It's very easy to do. And then insert your smartphone in the cover again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.